Greetings. I have 100 coins in my wallet. What is the minimum number of coins I would be required in order to make sure each coin touch exactly three other coins? Now the question is, what is the minimum number of coins? So I want to find this now. What is the minimum number of coins out of 100 coins? And a given condition is this. Given condition is that each coin should touch exactly three other coins. Yes or not? So whether it is 100 coins, 1000 coins, doesn't matter. The condition must satisfy this question somehow. You see, let us take minimum number of coins. Let us assume now minimum number of coins equal to, say, each coin, say 1 plus 3. For now we will assume like this. You have 4 coins as minimum number of coins. Now we shall investigate whether this minimum number of coins equal to 4 is valid or not. Okay, so let's arrange our coins like this now, and we will see. So let's take one of the coins, coin 1, say coin 2. Let me put them one down the other like this, and this is coin 3, and say coin 4. So if you arrange these coins vertically like this, now see, this coin is in contact with this, but this coin is not in contact with these two, or this coin is in contact with this, or this coin is in contact with these two. Yeah, but the given condition is that each coin should touch exactly three other coins. So therefore this vertical plan is incorrect. So now what we do? So let's take like this, coin 1 and coin 2, say this is coin 3 and coin 4. Let's arrange 4 coins in this fashion. Now if you observe carefully, this coin is in contact with coin number 1 and coin number 2, but not with this coin. Yeah, so there is no connection between these two. Similarly, this coin is in contact with these two coins. Yeah, similarly this coin is in contact with these two. So this condition we did not satisfy yet. So therefore this arrangement is also wrong. Now what is the last arrangement? Okay, what is, if not last, other arrangement? Let me take some coins like this. Let me take some physical coins, coin 1, and say you have coin 2, say you have coin 2 something, okay, arranged like this, and let me take coin 3 in this way. Okay, so we have 3 coins as follows. Now we arrange these 3 coins on this sheet in a triangular fashion. Now if you observe carefully, this coin is in contact with these two, or everywhere it satisfies the same. So now if I put one more coin on top of these 3, you see, if I put one more coin on top of these 3, now what happened here? You see, now you see, this coin is in contact with coin number 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, we have this coin is in contact with coin number 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, this coin is in contact with all 3. Now see, this is the only arrangement you have. So this is the only arrangement we have now, which satisfies this condition. So the correct answer, of course, minimum number of coins, whatever we have considered, is correct. And that too we have to arrange coins in this fashion. Yeah. So you take first 3 coins, arrange them in triangular fashion, and next you place other coin on top of those 3 coins in the middle as follows. Alright, so this question is not that difficult, but see, in aptitude or reasoning questions, whatever, they will never check your these conventional mathematical skills. In turn they will check your smart skills, and in a given situation how prompt you are. That is what their motto, their motto is that in a given situation how prompt you are. Quick-wittedness, what levels of quick-wittedness you have. So just don't use your complex brain. So make your brain simple, and let's utilize our common sense to its fullest potential so we can unlock any kind of questions. There is no big deal in this question. Just read out the question once and see to that you have satisfied the given condition, then get around. Okay, thank you.